actual campeón, Sam Van Rosso, Romain Stato, Bojan Djurjevic, Guillem Pires, Rafa Martín, Pierre Pullola, Fernando Sanemeterio, Joan Sastre, Lucas Silva y Vyacheslav Kravtsov. I pel Futbol Club Barça! Són les ordres del nostre entrenador, López Barzonas, Lluís Rai, Justin Thomas, Joey Garci, Víctor Claver, Juan Carlos Navarro, Alexander Eisenkot, Marcus Eriksson, Frank Varesson, Benny Gómez, Alex Renfro y Ante David.
Sí, bueno, hemos estado ahí. Creo que nuestro ritmo de la primera parte no ha sido bueno, eso ha hecho que cogieran ventaja, ¿no? Y bueno, a partir de ahí hemos ido a remolque un poco. Nos hemos metido en el partido otra vez el tercer cuarto, pero 3 triples consecutivos de Rice pues nos ha hecho pues coger otra vez esa ventaja que ya no hemos podido recuperar. Bueno, a ver, esto es 5 contra 5, ¿no? La verdad que a veces jugadores de tanto talento cuando están acertados es difícil pararlos, ¿no? Pero bueno, es un equipo con mucho talento y puede hacerte daño tanto Rice como cualquier otro jugador.
¿Qué ha pasado contra Renfro?
Nada, cosas del partido, ¿no? He hecho una falta después de pitarla y ya está. No, la verdad que no tenemos tiempo para eso. No hay mucho tiempo de descanso, así que todo sigue igual.
Bueno, un partido que ellos nos han dominado, han cogido una renta alta de 10 puntos ya del primer cuarto, segundo cuarto, y hemos ido un poco a remolque. Sí que en el tercer cuarto hemos salido muy bien, nos hemos puesto en el partido, pero bueno, sobre todo un acierto muy alto de 3 y de 2 pues nos ha condicionado el partido. Bueno, el tiro de 3 sobre todo, tiro suman de 3 en 3 y han metido muchos, pero sí que es cierto que de 2 también tienen un porcentaje altísimo y nada, a intentar mejorar las cosas para los siguientes partidos contra el Barça hacerlo mejor. Sí, siempre aquí jugar es importante, todos los partidos son importantes y no hay diferencia aquí que en otro lado. Sí que es cierto que nos jugamos el segundo puesto y nada, ahora ellos están arriba, pero aún queda para la clasificación de la Copa del Rey y sobre todo para final de temporada. Sí, tenemos un partido dentro de 2 días y nada, a olvidar esto lo más rápido posible, a intentar mejorar lo que hemos hecho mal y nada, jugar contra Manresa a un alto nivel.
Y por Barcelona es la Liga Hermoso de las 7 meses.
Crec que la primera part hem estat bé al partit, però després hi ha hagut un moment que el Barça ha jugat amb més energia que nosaltres. Ens ha faltat ser una mica més durs en defensa, que va més físic contra un equip que ho és. Jo crec que nosaltres també ho podem ser, però a la primera part no ho hem fet com ho podem fer. La segona part hem estat molt millor, molt més satisfet de com estaven treballant, però hi ha hagut un moment que el Rice i també el Revis, el Dorman, han tirat de 3 punts molt bé i aquí s'ha arrencat el partit. I bueno, crec que molts eren difícilment defensables i bueno, estic més descontent de la primera part que no de la segona. Sí, han estat molt acertat i dic en aquell moment sempre queda la sensació de que es pot fer més, però almenys 3 triples jo crec que estaven ben defensats i ells han estat increïblement acertats en aquest moment. Nosaltres estàvem portant el partit patint perquè portaven una desavantatge gran de la primera part, però bueno, estàvem en el camí de poder entrar i de veure a l'últim quart quines eren les resolucions i no ha sigut possible per la gran cert que tenim en aquest moment. Bueno, no los he visto a todos. Desde luego, en la primera parte han estado muy bien. También tenemos algo que ver nosotros con eso. Y desde luego han estado muy acertados tirando de 3 puntos. No sé si si han estado otros días tan acertados y no sé cuánto tiene que ver con sus virtudes o cuánto tiene que ver porque nosotros podríamos haber hecho una mejor defensa. Bueno, pues como nuestros rivales, de ahí y a prepararnos y a pasar página de este partido, a hacer la crítica que tenemos que hacer, a pasar página y prepararnos para el siguiente, que obviamente pues ahora mismo es muy importante una vez que ya hemos acabado este. Todo influye, todo suma y todo resta en las virtudes del rival, en las virtudes nuestras, en las carencias nuestras. Bueno, lo que dices está muy bien, pero luego Rice en el tercer cuarto pues, ha sido muy determinante y bueno, pues ahí no hemos sido capaces de tener ni ese acierto ni la capacidad de defender mejor en esos momentos de tantísimo acierto.
Buenas tardes. It was a classic ACB high-quality game between two very good teams. I have a lot of respect to Valencia. They have a great roster, great coach, and a very good team. So it was one more tough game for us. We were solid in about 25-30 minutes. We are searching for consistency to play on the same level for 40 minutes. Sometimes it's easy, sometimes it's not so easy. But today, for second game in a row, we have great creativity. We play unselfishly. We had the desire to pass the ball, and whenever we gave 19 assists after the 30 that we had against Milan, and having this kind of mentality, this kind of philosophy, we are a very good team. So it's very important for our players to understand this. When they do it consistently, we are going to be a very good team. In defense, we had some problems, some moments of the game, especially with the post-up action. But okay, finally we took one difference close to 20 points, which is not easy against such a good team like Valencia. And we won the game, very important game. I would like to tell you one more thing, what for me was very important. Juanqui is like fourth right now, scorer in ACB. And I would like just to tell that I'm very happy that I can work with this legend of European basketball. Just this. He has my respect. He dominated with the way he played. I think not only scoring in a row, everybody knows in European basketball that Tyrese has the ability to score sometimes whatever he wants. But for him and for our team, it's very important that he help everybody else to be better, especially in this spot of point guard. Whenever we play with him, he needs to get everybody involved in our game. So he's doing excellent, especially in the last games. So I'm very happy for him. I have to tell that that's why we signed in the summer Tyrese Rice. He's a great player. He's very competitive, but I prefer please to stay in our team effort, which is always more important than individual performances. Yes, I agree. First of all, I don't be nagging every time, to complaining about our bad luck. This. Sometimes it's, the press conferences that I have to inform the media about the situation in the team. I don't do the nagging all the time, about our problems, because it's a part of the sports. Maybe sometimes you don't have luck in the beginning of the season, it's better than at the end of the season. Right now, it looks like more normal in our team. Playing time, nobody plays for 35 minutes. For example, Brad was out for 2-3 days, and he was injured. And he could rest in the game with Milano. And today, he was fresh and he helped us very much. So I think now is more normal situation in our team, and I agree with you, it is like this. Yes, I'm also learning our team, I'm also learning our reactions. Maybe it's a little bit, strange to say that after 4 months, but I'm still learning my team, our team, because from the beginning we didn't have all our roster together. So the reaction during the game, the toughness of mind and body, sometimes it's questionable if you don't know exactly your team. Right now, it looks like this. when Valencia had a reaction in the third quarter, and they, if I remember well, it was a 3-point game. Immediately it was, our reaction was like this, with some very good defensive stops and hitting on transition. Immediately we took the difference like 15 points and we finished the game. So all the games right now in the EuroLeague, maybe in National Base the same, are tight, are at the end. Maybe 1-2 decisions are very important to be the winner or the loser. So we need to have mental toughness, and I think in this situation Juanqui is helping us very much. He's giving confidence to everybody because he knows how to play the last minute of the game. First of all, we had a day off after the Milano game, so on Saturday we had a day off, but the Christmas Day we had practice here, and also of course yesterday. This is our schedule, we cannot complain about this. I see football teams, they have like 10 days off right now. I understand the players because they are human, they have families, they want to spend some time with their families, and also, for the coaches, but this is our job and we cannot complain about this. This is the schedule. Maybe summer is a good opportunity for us to have some rest. So right now we have to play, and there is no easy game for us. Let's try to play here a very important game for us against Darussafaga, and then we have practice even the first day of the season of the year. So this is our job, and I'm thinking that some of the players, especially the guys that they don't have family, they can go out a little bit late at night, but we cannot do anything about this. I think sometimes it's normal. If I have to wish something, from Sandra, it's just to have health. Just this, I think, is a present for everybody. Not only for our team, for everybody is a present. Whoever is healthy has to be blessed. He is blessed. So I hope to have health in our team, for the rest of the season, which is very, very important if we want to achieve our goals. To be honest, I cannot say anything official right now because we have a meeting with our general manager, Mr. De La Fuente, about this and to have some decisions. Obviously, since Justin Dolman get back after his injury and Victor Claver, and also we have Sasha Bezenkov, normally it's very difficult for Jonathan Holmes to find playing time. He plays only in EuroLeague. It's not easy, to find shape and all this. Although he's trying hard. We will decide about this the upcoming days, and we will inform the media officially. We are looking also the market. Always we are searching the market about this because our obligations, our schedule is very, very tough. So sometimes, if, for example, we have one play today, immediately in the game, Joy had 3 fouls and Ante had 3 fouls, and we had a problem. We played with the lineup with Victor Claver as a 5. We using him as a 3, and today we used him as a 5 also in some minutes, which is not, of course, his spot, his position. So, of course, we are searching the market, but bear in mind, needless to say, that it's very difficult right now in this period to find someone that, especially in our level, to get immediately into the team and helping us, to be a better team. It's not easy, but always we are searching the market.